Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to make an paper aeroplane. When I was young I couldn't do it. But now I do from YouTube. So I learned this. It looks really hard to do, but no, it's easy. So I will show you in this video. Okay, let's just, there you go. Now, first of all, you want to have the landscape, not horizontal, landscape. Then you want to thingy for the corners. I'll just do that quickly. Yeah, see you in a bit. There you go. So it should look like that. If it doesn't, it's wrong already. So yeah, it better be look like this. Then you grab the top, damn it, and then you fold it down. So I'll show you. Let me do that quick. Come on, not. It's really annoying. This part is the most annoying part because. There you go. Should look like that. Now, what we want to do is get the other corner. Oh, wait. Oh, well, that didn't work out. So let me do it with a small piece of paper, because it's easier. Damn it. So let me just unfold this quickly. It won't be that long. But, there you go. Right, unfolded it. This is how it should look like when you unfold it. And paper aeroplane. So you fold the two corners, easy as you like. Then you fold this to here. Well, it was supposed to go at the end, but I was too lazy, didn't do it. Then what I meant to show you, and that one which didn't work, you fold this both of the corners again, like this, and this part should still be showing. And then, boom, there you go. Should be like that. Not that, but that should be flat. Now, you just put this on top of the things you folded, two corners you folded. Then you do this. You make it in half. Oh, wait. There you go. So it should look like this. There you go. Like that. Then you pick one corner and you fold it to here. Like that. There. And you do the same with the other corner. So there you go. And when you fold it might not be even. But that's okay. That's okay. It doesn't matter. So yeah. Oh yeah. Now all you do is grab it, and here you have your paper aeroplane. So if you want to test this out, let's test this out if it works. Hopefully it does. Wow, that failed really badly. Let me try this again, shall we? Okay, that works, I guess. So that's the end of this video. Bye. Trying to stop the video with my nose. What? There you go.